Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be trying Japanese candy. Basically, my brother reminded me of these Japanese candy kits that I used to always buy off of Amazon when I was younger. And I was like, hey, that'd be such a fun video idea to do. I put like these Japanese candy kits in my cart, and then I was looking through and scrolling to find like more Japanese stuff to do for that video. And I accidentally ended up ordering 30 pieces of Japanese candy. So for this video, my brother Chase and I are going to be trying all these different Japanese candies and snacks that came in this big old pack. I put them in this green bowl, and then in a future video we're going to be making these little pop-in cooking kits. They're really fun to make and I used to make them all the time. Please don't take offense to this video if you are like of Asian descent or anything like that. We are white, as you can see, so we don't know how to read this or understand it, and we are not from Japan, so we might not like some of the things that people in Japan like, and some people in Japan might not like the same things that people in America like. With all that being said, please don't forget to subscribe down below, click the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new vlog on this video. On this channel. You can also follow all my social media, subscribe to my main channel, all that stuff.
Oh yeah, and I'm her brother.
Also, we look like tomatoes because we went on the boat for so long yesterday. So the reason that we look like Mr. Krabs is because we got severe sunburn. We're just gonna eat all these snacks for y'all. There's so much in here and I'm very excited. He's hungry, I'm hungry, so let's grab. Do you wanna pick something random?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
It looks like cheese.
All right. So this says cheese Zach. It has like a little, is that a cat or a dog?
It looks like a cat.
Okay, is that a cat or a dog? That looks like a cat and a dog. I don't know what this is. It looks like a cheese cracker. Can't read any of the packaging. Don't know if this is poisoned or expired because it all came off Amazon.
Reliable.
Ooh, smell it. Yucky. This just looks like one big old Cheeto. Is it good? Ew.
I don't think it's good for ASMR.
That was disgusting. You like it?
No. There's like sweet stuff in the middle.
What is that?
Who puts sweet stuff and cheese together?
It's like cheese crunchy on the outside and something sweet in the middle. Oh,
look, it looks like processed cheese, just like
it is.
Sweet.
Yuck, that's disgusting.
Dope or nope?
Definitely a nope. Okay, rate it. -10.
2.
2, I cannot. The texture, the flavor, yucky.
We're gonna find something worse.
Okay, but that was disgusting.
All right, your turn. But that looks good.
This looks like chocolate. All right, so this is the next thing that we have. This is the next thing that we have. It looks like something chocolate. It also feels round and has these cute little kids on it, so I'm excited for this. Okay, I hope it's chocolate. It's chocolate. Ooh, oh. Okay. Kind of looks like a Tootsie Roll, but like bigger. Okay, this is good. Try it. That's good.
It's lacking flavor.
Yeah, it's literally just chocolate and like crunchy crispy in the middle.
Like rice cake.
Yeah, a chocolate covered rice cake. Ooh, that was good.
That was good actually.
I give that like a 9.5 out
light.
of 10. Yeah, that's light. It was like 3 bites. What do you rate it?
8.
I give it a 9. I think that's really good. Let's do this because there's 2 of them.
They're not the same.
Yeah, they are. Oh no,
one
they're
says
not.
chocolate cream, one doesn't say anything.
Okay, so we have these like cookie biscuits next. They look kind of the same. We're gonna do both of them right now. So there's 2 in it. Why does it smell sweet?
Ew.
Whoa, what?
Whoa. Ah! It's like a vinegar, but like
There's so many flavors.
oh good.
There's so many flavors.
The first taste is good, the middle taste is bad, the last taste is good.
It's like salt and pepper and vinegar. That's what it tastes like. Oh my goodness, that was weird. Wait, what? That's literally can't read anything. Wait, that was so weird but so good at the same time. I was not expecting it to taste like it smelled sweet, so I was expecting it to be like brown sugar or like cinnamon or something like that, and it was definitely not that. What do you rate it? Give it like
6.
7.
6,
yeah.
7, yeah.
But next we have these chocolate cream, which pretty much look like those cookies exactly, but I guess they're
smaller.
different. Yeah, I don't know. It has like the same package, so that's what it looks like. Little cookies.
It looks like a Ritz.
Yeah, it looks like
Peanut butter Ritz.
It doesn't taste like anything. I don't taste chocolate at
The
all.
cracker to chocolate ratio
is not there.
It's not even like chocolate, it's like a jelly.
It just tastes like cracker. There's like nothing in it. I don't like that at all. It doesn't taste good.
It tastes like cracker.
Yeah, it tastes like straight cracker. This looks fun. Look at that. This says like climbing people, working, and on the back there's a dog and animals, and there's like an old lady doing like laundry. Okay, packaging 10 out of 10. These are so fun. Oh,
ooh, croutons.
So this looks like these little crunchy, crispy balls, like flakes.
They're not bad.
It doesn't taste like anything. I like them. They're light, they're fluffy. What does it taste like?
I give them a 7.5.
7.5? Yeah, I'd probably give it a 7.
These are good actually. It's like a.
It's kind of weird though.
This could go on a salad.
Yeah, it could go on a salad. They do look like croutons. They definitely could go on a salad. I don't know what it is, but like it's not bad. This is a little squirrely guy on here. He's holding a balloon. This looks like oyster crackers.
Oh yeah.
Does it? Oh shoot. It's like these little crunchy balls.
A little sweet.
Is it sweet?
Mm-hmm. I don't like the aftertaste. Actually, kind of do.
I don't like those. What does that taste like?
Sweet cracker.
I don't like it. It doesn't taste like.
It's good.
It's not. You like that?
Yeah.
These are not good. It's like sweet,
8.
crunchy balls.
8.
I would give that like a 1,
8.
maybe. I don't like it. The first like crunchy is good, and then it tastes bad. I don't like that. Not at all. That's not good. What is this?
Jello.
This looks like Jello. This says Y is for yak on it, and it looks like a little Jello. Look at that.
You just go.
It smells sour.
Oh!
It smells really sour.
It's lemon.
I want to take a little bite. A little bite. I hate sour. For anyone who doesn't know.
Is it sour?
It doesn't taste like anything. Why do these flavors not taste? Oh, is there Jello on my face?
It's like a Sour Patch Kid without the sour.
Like so it's not a Sour Patch Kid, it's like a gummy.
It's a gummy sugar kid, but like if you washed it off, that's what it tastes like.
Yeah, you're right. It like smells
and
sour.
Like the texture too.
It smells sour, but it doesn't taste sour. These
like
are
Reese's
so
Pieces.
weird. I feel like they don't have very much flavor. Okay, what do we rate this?
That's actually not bad. Can I finish it?
Yeah, go ahead. I would probably give that like an 8.
That's good.
What do you rate it?
8, yeah.
8. Next we have this like green cookie. I hope it's matcha.
Oh. Oh.
It's seaweed. That is not good. Yucky.
Disgusting. Seaweed, like I like the seaweed packets.
Yeah, me too.
That is not seaweed.
That is not seaweed. It's like crispy, crunchy, flaky, but like light and seaweed. Why is everything flaky and like super thin and airy? Ooh! This looks fun. Look at this guy. He's a little fluffy, a little fatty. Okay.
Oh!
There's something in it.
Chocolate?
That's good.
Can I finish?
Ew, the chocolate cream is what gets me. I don't like chocolate cream at all in anything. The outside is fun though. It's like a squishy marshmallow. I don't like the inside.
It's like a wannabe American marshmallow. This is like,
I like it. It's light. It's soft.
yeah.
I like the marshmallow part. The chocolate cream throws it off for me. I don't like chocolate cream.
7.
Yeah, I'd probably give it a 6. Okay, that's not bad though, considering what we've had to deal with. Chase wants to do this, and this looks like a fish.
What does it say on the bottom?
Chips.
Tiara rare.
Tiara rare. That's what it says right there. This has a fishy on it, and it's
Fish and
yellow. You think it's fish and chips? Oh wait, they're shaped like fish. Mmm.
That's actually really
It's
good.
sweet.
It's like a tiny bit sweet.
It's good.
I like it.
Again, airy and flaky. Like they're all so light. It's probably one of the best things we've had so far.
But none of their stuff is salty.
Oh, yeah, nothing is salty. It's all very, very, very sweet.
I like that. That's like an 8.5.
Yeah, I'd probably give this like an 8.
It looks like the same thing from earlier, just
Yeah,
yellow.
this looks exactly like the chocolate thing we got, but it has the same guys, but it has a corn
I
on
want
it.
to do this one too.
Yeah, okay, so this one has a clown on it. This one has a corn on it.
Please don't be corn flavored.
If it's corn
This
flavored,
one looks like watermelon actually. Look at
it does, right? Oh my, it looks like a corn. It
This
looks like
one?
a corn. Look at it. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting.
It's so bad.
This has to be worse. This is so. That one's worse. What is this? These are disgusting.
So bad.
Ew! Japan, I don't know what you're doing, but that ain't it, sis. Okay, I'm gonna try this while he's getting water. This is like these little bunny candies. Wait, they look kind
Looks
of
like
fun.
sweet tarts.
Yeah, it
Or
does.
bottle caps.
Try one.
It's like a bottle cap.
No. Izzy. There
doesn't
goes
have
the
good
flavor
flavor.
again. Yuck. Yuck. Why do I keep doing that? That is disgusting.
That's so bad.
What is that? What are these flavors? Like, I wish that it had something that could tell us what they are, but that's disgusting. The corn is disgusting. Like, bleh. Japan, what are y'all doing? Like, hop on the Hershey's, hop on the Lay's. That ain't it. This looks like a marshmallow. Look at this little guy. This little guy looks so fun right there.
It's like one of those sticks you get during Easter.
Yeah, or like Halloween. They give you like little marshmallows. That's good. It's just a marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Thank you.
Their marshmallows are different though.
They definitely are. They feel more
tough,
fluffy.
not tough, yeah.
No, they definitely feel more fluffy. Crispy chocolatey rice cereal. See, we can read this
crunch.
one.
It's
a crunch. And it says malt added. See, like, look, I wish we had this kind of stuff where you could read what it said. And look at that little dinosaur right there. Whoa, okay, it does definitely.
My name's Sue, and my first call is crunch.
The chocolate tastes different.
Yeah, it's weird. It's not bad.
I'd probably give it like a 6 or a 7 actually. Their chocolate is definitely different than ours. That doesn't taste the same as our chocolate. This is just a red little package and it looks like something sour. This is what, smell it. I'm gonna throw up.
It's vinegar.
That smells like straight like you literally just pour. What does it taste like?
Vinegar.
Really?
Yeah.
Just straight vinegar?
It's not bad, but it's not bad. It's just not good. Like a 3.
Why is this a thing? Like, who eats this? If you're from Japan or of Asian descent or anything and you've tried any of these, please let us know. Why is this a thing? Like, what do you eat this with? I'm so confused. It looks like seagrass. Like, you would find this at the bottom of the ocean. It seems like grape is a common factor. You need to try this. This is literally, jelly. It says stick jelly. Hold on. It just says stick jelly all over it. And I hate grape flavored everything. So you can try that while I open up this grape flavored thing. This is a little grape candy and he's eating grape jelly.
Yeah, it tastes like fake grape.
Just, does it taste like grape jelly? No?
It's like grape juice mixed with grape jelly.
Is it bad?
I like grape, so.
Like, what do you rate it? Would you eat this again?
I don't know. If I packed it in my lunch, I'd probably eat it like once a week.
It's hard.
But yeah, that's like the grape jelly part. Like
it's hard.
It's like chunky.
Yeah, that's weird. I cannot do this. I'm sorry. I would throw up. But I just opened up this grape flavored thing and it's pink balls. So that makes me think it's gum. It's literally just a pink ball. I can't.
It's not gum.
No, it is.
No, it's like dissolving now.
It's gum. I can't do grape flavored anything, but that's definitely grape flavored gum.
I want to swallow it, but I'm afraid it's
Don't do that. We have 2 more. It's not bad. I just don't like grape.
I like it.
Like, it's gum texture, so that's good. That's finally something normal. But I like the way it's sold. Like, it's sold in a little box instead of like sticks of gum. This says Tanashi Hoshumi.
Tanashi Hoshumi. It looks like a
dried grape or a prune. Yeah.
Oh no, I am not eating that.
It smells just like a prune.
It does.
Okay, try
Maybe
it.
it's not bad. What's it?
It's sour and salty and sweet. Yucky! This girl's cooking up some wrong stuff. Ew! That's disgusting.
So bad.
That is a 0. That is a by far 0.
Yeah, 0.
Yucky! This has a little boxer on it and it looks like ramen noodles. That's good. It's salty. It tastes like teriyaki. Or soy sauce.
Soy sauce. That's really good.
That is good.
Wow, that's really good.
I like these. Like, I could see somebody packing this in their kids' lunch.
Good job, Japan.
I like those. Japan, 10 out of 10. We're gonna try this because this is the only snack that it looks like we have left. It has this cute little guy right here.
It looks like French.
Oh, it smells like soy sauce again. It smells like ramen.
I like that texture. I like it.
It's okay. It like melts in your mouth. Kind of like spicy, but like not spicy.
Cajun.
Cajun. Why are we professional foodies?
We're
Like,
connoisseurs.
I don't know what it is, but it's not bad.
It's not that bad.
Not bad. Looks like we just have a whole lot of candy left. We're gonna go with this
the
thing.
rhino?
This cute little rhino, which has like little circles in it. I'm just gonna poke a hole with it.
It's those like weird gum packages that you don't
Yeah,
like.
it kind of looks like a weird gum. It's chocolate.
It's an M&M.
Yeah. It's just, no, you know what it tastes like? Those 6-lits.
A 6-lit, yeah.
The rhino, he's cute. We like him. Yay, go rhino. It's your birthday. So this says a fruit donut. It looks like those little sour like ring candies. My camera battery is a dying. It looks like a little sour fruit candy, and as I said, I cannot do sour, but we're gonna try it anyway.
It looks like those Lifesavers rings, and that's like my favorite candy.
Really?
Yeah.
Muscles.
Those are good.
Chewy.
It's like the ring. It's like the ring, but chewier. It's good.
It tastes good. It's not sour. I'm glad it's not sour.
9.5.
And that tastes like it would be an American candy.
Yeah.
Like they could sell that and I probably wouldn't even notice. Okay, we only have 3 things left. This is like a soda. It has a little soda on it. It looks like gum.
Gum?
Yeah, it's just gum. It's like fizzy.
Gum? Like Pop Rocks gum?
No, like not like pop, but like tastes like seltzer water.
Ooh, I don't like that.
I don't think I do either. Do Asian people like grape or am I tripping? Because I don't like grape. So we have this.
It looks like a warhead.
This looks like a warhead. It's just like this little black package. Okay.
Sour.
Nasty. Yuck. It's like soy sauce and grape together. Fuck my tooth. He's gonna enjoy that. But the last thing that I have in this whole entire thing is these cute little like cherry. It looks like gums. It comes with a stick. Is it candy or is it gum?
It doesn't taste like gum.
You think we can swallow it?
I swallowed one.
It comes with a little stick. It doesn't taste like anything.
I know.
It
tastes like the color pink.
No, it doesn't taste like anything. It feels like I'm just chewing on air. Yo, that's the end of this video. Thank the Lord Heavenly Father. Japanese candy is a roller coaster. Let me just say that.
I'd say like we got 5 really good things
And the rest were nasty.
like 10 really bad things. The rest were okay.
These chips are really good. I like these. I'm gonna keep eating these. What else?
The chocolate thing.
The chocolate thing at the beginning, that was good. That's about it. Honestly, this video was fun. But do I like this candy? Not at all. I didn't really enjoy the experience. My taste buds did not enjoy it. Everything was pretty like fizzy and airy and light. I will notice that. There's a whole lot of grape going on, which Lord knows I cannot do. If you guys enjoy my eating videos on the channel, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. You good? I don't know what just happened over there. I've done a trying candy from Greece video, and now we did one from Japan. So if you have any other places that you would like to see us try snacks or food, or any other guests you would like to see on this little series, then please let me know down below. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, follow my socials. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. See ya in the Middle East.